Okay, let's do the color challenge. First one is red. Okay, shortbread and Biscoff. Okay, the next one, black. Your favorite cup. Okay, ഏതെടുത്തോണ്ടേ പറ.
പച്ച.
Chocolate lip balm. Next one is blue. എന്താ ഇത്? Oreo. Say Hot Wheels. Okay. അടുത്തതാ? Pink. Oh, room freshener. Okay, the last one, white. Socks. Oh, teddy. Teddy alla. Okay, very art mama. Okay, bye guys.